Well, I got a little time to work on the engine before I have to go and cook Sunday dinner for my mom and dad. Mom's 91, Dad's 96, going on 97. So we'll try to do some work on the exhaust manifold and try to get that off. Guts to have power. Got to cut the tailpipe off the manifold. Looks like it's welded, so. There, that's there. Don't want to go. Oh, sometimes things don't work the way you want them to. Not a lot of room in here either. There, we got her. Don't need this anymore. Did you see any of that? I don't know. Maybe. $17. Well, it could be 19 too. 14, I guess. Probably don't have a 14. Ah, 14 on a ratchet. That's even better. Well, I got the exhaust manifold off and the tailpipes. I guess we'll go for the water pump now. Well, I got the water pump off without breaking any bolts. That's an accomplishment. These blue top batteries for the GoPro don't last very long. Anyway, I got the water pump out, and I haven't gotten into it, so I don't know how it looks, but it looks pretty corroded, pretty rusty. But as I said before, the great part about it is that I didn't snap any bolts in the block. So we're getting there.